So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit cash into your crypto account here on crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the home icon. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top area to where it says buy, sell, deposit, and pay, and then press on deposit. Once you're here, you can go to the bottom to where it says crypto and cash. So for cash right here, if you want to deposit that, deposit cash from your bank account, go ahead and press on cash just like this. Now once cash is selected, you have to open up an account. So for me, it would be a Canadian dollar account. You can press continue and then follow the steps that way and then transfer over or deposit some cash into your account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to deposit cash into your account on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.